Share Onyankopon hatasro ono no si Bawumia be the president. Bawumia be the president no abe rescue Ghana. Mon pese Ghana mind be ye so your sofo papa. Adentina won pese Ghana be ye. Mahame ya ukofa ni ba shese ni Ghana say. Shese ni Ghana say. Dr. Bawumia ne ba ya nka Ghana say sa. Next to what side Jina ho insisting upon all that is going on. Wujina ho insisting biemu say Bawumia entumi nye president 2028. Mimpasa manu betia wa no painting no. Wo de ma reason neja ine wo chire no. Na sister Kuya TikTok na Mahama no makwachi no we hu. It shows how incompetent Mahama by na ye. Because mukwachi girl enipa bebre na ba abonten abeka se asam ne mfa mo ho. Eye film na ochirem. It is still almost omontie. Almost omontie. Ana ọma fele ọmọ ni ewu nti na ọmụ kwa ya ọmụ befa so dị na ba abonten
Frempon abusuafo me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana Nsem TV so but omo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel na turn on notifications so be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom. Now, if by chance they may offer a person boy, which are through number never was here, whatever. In Sabeka, none used to this way hanging out so. Need the best of pounds. Now, another day, I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say youth of it, like youth or mind bimu. More rebellious politicians now of a sudden their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Signing LGBTQ Kofi Odro when you fi wabra born in our boy land now dear Johnny Akosha Ghana aka saman for ni mu wen. Woka sama phone him ebra boni na oba wo landin man mu na we dwane akoshe Ghana sa wo your sofo no enya asama na yanka na Ghana fo binum na sebe o madwen wo fom a enka wo nso ye betena wo na ase wo si yankwachichi MPP fo mo wieska chi wo ho first na chi wo nua be ma no na chi John Mahama if you can chi Mahama chi wo nua no chi wo ho ka because unso sika no wo dibisisi a na chi Ibrahim monchi Mahama asifo nyina mochi omo nyina ewie ene NDC fo na omo hwie sika like there's no tomorrow ni wi a afa mu hwie a na mo abaye so samo bechi en abuo ni dua na onchi wo nwi Kofi Odro abua oni dua e na onchi wo nwi Bible na ekita na enye curse ma wankasa Bible quotation be you wa sorry them we read be entering to curse upon your head because near wo ye no eye chimisem Kofi Odro wo na we chimi Kofi Odro we chimi ana wo na we chimi sa kwasi asam na akogina wa sorry them na okeka na eka say mesi chichi wo ho chichi wo ni andisi fo no gum because mo na mo hwie sika kese enti mo chichi mo ho first. If you can, and so I call MPP for also. When nim tan say at the bonny be. And Owusu Bempah so. In fact, Owusu Bempah fe ni oye no abroso. Owusu Bempah ni opeso chren abroso. Say Bawumia. When was our science started say Bawumia to me my president. Obi opeme challenge no. What's your start?
Obi in the whole time. Assistant Jesus.
What's your start? No, Owusu Bempah Onyankopon beti wo so atua wo sade be a wankasa obeye mmobo wo Ghana man no mu se ubeye mmobo papa wo Ghana man no baby kro na makogigi mu nro no enu nti mu de work niema wo mu asori dem no hwe onyankopon hatasro onno no se Bawumia abedi president no abe rescue Ghana Mumpese Ghana mind beye yie so your sofo papa adenti na mumpese Ghana beye yie mahame ya ukofa ni bai hwese ne Ghana esai Dr. Bawumia ne ba ya nka Ghana say sa na still wasan jina ho insist upon all that is going on wujina ho insist biemu say Bawumia entumi nye president 2028 Mimpasa manu betia wa no painting no wo de reason neja ine wo kire no na sister Kuya TikToker na Mahama no makochi no we hu it shows how incompetent Mahama by na ye because mukochi girl enipa bebre na ba abonten abeka se asam ne mfa mo ho eye film na okirem enti still amoso omonte ye omonte ana oma fele omo ni ewu nti na omo kwan ya omo befa so de na ba abonten
but this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi former foreign affairs minister. You remember Asabi and his wife. You remember Ghana at 50. They did all these things, lied and won elections. They still use the same playbook they used in 2008 to win the 2024 elections. Now the president has seen that indeed they couldn't prove the cases. Even out of the 32, that Okujeto has said that they are watertight, that they are just low-hanging fruits. They cannot even start 5 successful prosecutions. Now, as the lawyer, he will tell you that it is left with less than 25 weeks of legal weeks for them to leave the scene in 2029. I can tell you in all honesty that the NDC will not be able to do 5 successful prosecutions. They can't. To even follow through to the end. They arrested Hanan last year. The case is yet to start.
The wheels of justice, they say, grind slowly.
You see, when you paint the picture that these people are corrupt, when we said they were corrupt in 2016, when we came in, the first assignment was we were able to finish the prosecution of Abugapele and Asebet. They went to jail.
But they started. They started.
Even it was they were convicted on other jobs.
No, they were not. They were convicted in 2018.
I'll check it.
They were convicted in 2018. Yes, they started the prosecution. They started Abugapele's prosecution in 2015. They followed through with some lackadaisical attitude. We came in and we made sure that we completed our again. When you check the NCA, we were able to get conviction of Eugene Bafuwomi, William.
I don't blame her. I blame the NDC in Kwasiafo. NDC in penny form of Jimmy. NDC in penny form of Munyansa. You are the ones I blame. Now NDC in tears is a munya special. I'll be honest here. I'm a family one example. Say, penny form be. Me friend mu among fano. Me here will shield. And I miss you. Many aba hanabisiu. Me kase minu aba because me mame firstborn. ewo 54 years ono ye pe enti wo ye me nua ba pani 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa me twa interview wa how mame me twa interview me no na me ne wo ntam ye fine me ba Ghana na ye hia kama me ni nkoto be hia kama ye hia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this lady a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma this lady a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this lady a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message a
two consenting adults enye rape enye defilement omo aye omo adwen so person omo koye omo hu wodem no enye ye mu bi asem ebeye yasem so omo ye omo adwen sa adekoro na omo ye no omo di bepi abonten ama ye nyina ya hwe ene ekofa se LGBTQ asemi bayi
ana se omo be hyeyen
ana omo be se odi pia abonten ana odi be hyew ana on fam pia mfiri ni dem ma abonten a oye den hyew ene ekofa LGBTQ yeti omai we mu dwen yen ho sa amre no na still petrol le kosoro na ye free covid mu aba ye ni abri yetiri ho na ye hu ne ye nye ye hu wokurum ha ye wo pertinent issues serious issues any ye say Australian commission say hwan akwa hia nkrofo bi wo baabi fiti hia Sam George say on tia se kiki chese ene kofa LGBTQ nsemi bayi
what's up president Conde
me dem ba enka yen conversation
position ni bebre nso wa since ya ye to aba ye di afio e ko nanim you to no be from wa mo nfa message nso a on reply no eti no empanifo ni bebre wo ho a on hwe ni yie e wo NDC aban mu most of empanifo no won nyinya positions ni bebre no bebre hwe ni yie because ama boys no bebre kasa yes sebe ye eat uti na wan kasa ho a
wan kasa uti wan ye
thank you ye you are born eti abufu wo kurom no osofukum chacha no kura pa na meka kesi ni ade no because eto da bia obitimi fra me nia na ade we kura ye ne ye se yeah any ade ye fra ho a bibi ra mame
ni nkofo di nkomoda nsema the first mami chia yera Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ayakwa akoye te se sisi anu fa social media bia na obi e frɛ doctor kofo bebre e frɛ nanado se nanado wapenso anka ne yefise nuemu mu eden
adisho boy kofo frɛ ni so mra
na abutri kabetna so yi de enuema ye west
abutri dare ya
President Mahama. Oh, the only difference between President Mahama and Abutrika is a laptop. The only difference between President Mahama and Abutrika is a laptop. Omu dada nipa. Take it from me. Omu dada nipa. President Mahama answer ni yebe kwa kotuaba. O kachire o kansem de. Edi chire ye you to know. Se adwuma baako ko 4 ne be ye se adwuma no. Minim sa no pe omo ko ndre numre no mapon omo ko fie dia o ka kire ye se public sector obia benya adwuma ye oba ye ko 2 years ni wan enya 24 hour economy ne ho faso it is say ye ka se president me ka kire o se President Mahama the only difference between ono any Abutrika a laptop so tiase because in some o kan ye no was coming Ghana fo nyina was coming Ghana youth ni nyina o ka kire teacher fo more colleges of education say oba omo licensure exams obetwem na when to me anya kura registration fee Mr. Speaker that's one aka akofo ado time e 200 Ghana cedis no President Mahama page mu dia ko 380 licensure exams no so a wentwem automatic post no this any when twem
na president Bahama na memo no mai we ana onya afi ba ko ne fakura
na membo obu no emu
afi no wanya afi ba
wo de na membo a obu no emu hinde na ye de toto no wanya previous one no
ngazi ana make say ememo ni ye mfie nai
Oma
afi na wanya afi ba ko ne bosumi ni
Mr. Speaker enkof
ko ne bosumi ni nsemu ni ogre
Mr. Speaker one out kyerɛ me sa grobe so a ifia nopa nipa wo honom na se wo hu signal sa de ebe yi a obehu yen twɛn ema ade no ye bobo 90 minutes 90 minutes there but 90 minutes no